Black Magic ceramic waterless wash. Held up pretty good. No dust, even though some rain did get on the paint from today. So with that said, I think this is actually well worth your money, 10 bucks. And like I said, do not do this in circular motions. You could probably take it off in circular motions, but not as far as buffing it off, I mean. But yep. So we'll check back later, see how it does for water beading. Well, here we are, several hours later, driven in the rain. And I gotta say, it looks really nice. And we're talking 100 miles of driving, sitting in the rain at work for 8 hours, and then coming home. I mean, there's still some, you know, of course there's gonna be some kind of watermarks, but yeah, it's holding up really well. Now for the intense graphene tire shine, here's a little trick. Do not layer it on top of another product. Otherwise, it looks like that. So for 100 miles, I'd say it held up pretty well. You can see it fading around here, but I mean, not too bad. I would definitely buy it again. So yeah, guess we'll see how much longer this will hold up. And this here is looking really nice though. Really am shocked about the ceramic waterless. Alright, thanks for watching.